No matter with the suicide thing. Me swear for love you till time end.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only per pressure in my corner. What time it hard to carry on? You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Owen Allen Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. The Freedom Street concert by Vybz Kartel held at the National Stadium was nothing short of a historic success. Vybz Kartel was paid $4 million for his performance at Freedom Street, and the event's turnout proved it was worth every penny. The VIP section was packed with high-profile attendees, ensuring that Joe, the event organizer, recouped his investment before even factoring the general admission sales. However, the real financial success for me lies in the infield section, where thousands of fans gathered, making Freedom Street not only a cultural triumph but also a financial one, with the stadium filled to capacity and the night unfolding without any major incident or injuries. So for me personally, it was a joy and a relief to see everyone make it home safely. Freedom Street was a celebration of music, resilience and unity, and will forever be remembered as a landmark moment in dancehall history, no doubt. Now, Freedom Street had fans from all over the world coming together to witness a big moment for dancehall history and also for Vybz Kartel, right? After 13 years behind bars, Vybz Kartel proved why he is and will always be the undisputed king of dancehall, despite the challenges he faced leading up to this event, like his health deteriorating right before his release. Vybz Kartel resilience and determination shine right through, right, making this event an unforgettable one. Never doubt or underestimate Vybz Kartel. The impact of Freedom Street extends far beyond just the stadium. For the first time in Jamaica's history, air traffic skyrocketed with over 18 private jets landing to bring in high-profile figures and international fans. It was a testament to Vybz Kartel's global influence and the legacy he has built both before and during his incarceration. This was not just any event. This was a cultural phenomenon, right? Fans who couldn't attend flood TikTok and YouTube in search of live stream, creating a frenzy all over social media. I witnessed that for myself. Thousands bounced between streams, crashing servers as they scrambled to catch even a glimpse of the event. The buzz on social media was electric. It only highlighted the global significance of the concert, and if you don't believe me, ask God. So again, I must give credit to the organizers. The production value of Freedom Street was top tier, setting a new benchmark for dancehall events. Mr. Joe Bogdanovich and Skatta, the mastermind behind the production, delivered a professional and modern show that it's similar to international standards, right? The lighting, the stage design, and overall execution of the show is to show their commitment and the excellence. However, there were some issues, delays in performance, such as Sheba's set was pushed back when Vybz Kartel called for Sheba. She was not there, and then artists like Popcaan and Chronicler waiting for hours to perform. Drew some criticism. Popcaan eventually disrespects Skatta.
Skatta, suck your mother, youth. If I never Kartel, me go me yard. When me could have me and Chronicler out the door for 3 hours. I want to hold down the native them. Don't do that to we youth. I want to have out up front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. Big up.
Chronicler disrespect Skatta and Joe.
When they are for Vybz Kartel, me a talk straight. Me not there for some white boy and a Rasta boy. Me a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skatta behavior. Joe, behave your bomb buckle yourself. We there for Vybz Kartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy, play a rhythm.
I do hope unfortunate situations like this be addressed in the future, because it did not overshadow the overall success of Freedom Street, and we're thankful for that. One of the most talked about moments of the concert was Vybz Kartel entrance. I am calling it his Michael Jackson moment. It was a great moment that set the stadium on fire, both in the stadium and online. And unfortunately, that was the moment everything started to crash. It caused widespread connectivity issues across all social media platforms. Now, despite this, the magnitude of the event remained undeniable, and I am sure Kartel gained more respect after this show. Kartel has not been celebrated as a top live performer in the same sentence as legends like Beenie Man and Capleton or contemporary stars like Dexter Daps and Shenseea. And yes, we know Shenseea is still mastering her craft, but she is improving drastically. Now, at Freedom Street, Kartel delivered a performance that defied the expectation. Kartel defied the odds. Under the circumstances, he faced limited preparation time and the immense pressure of making a triumphant return. Kartel performance was commendable and I give him respect for that. Now, while there's room for improvement, his ability to command the stage and deliver for his fans solidified his status as a true icon in the music business. How could I say otherwise? We can't say nothing else. We cannot take nothing away from the performance or anything like that. Now, the concert also highlight unforgettable collaboration. Kartel performance with Spice, Sheba and Ja Vinci were among the best of the night in my opinion, in my humble opinion, showcasing the chemistry and the legacy of these iconic pairings. Even Busta Rhymes, who didn't receive the same audience reception as the dancehall artist, delivered an outstanding performance in my opinion. Again, this attitude in the crowd response serve as a reminder that audience reception doesn't always correlate with the quality of an artist's performance. You perform poorly and get good reception from the audience, and you perform great and you do not get the same love and respect, right? Vybz Kartel wardrobe change added some flair to the evening. Kartel began his Mr. Classic Man dress sharp, sophisticated attire before switching to a more casual jersey look, the look he had when he first came onto the scene earlier in his career. However, one fault I had with the song selection, I must speak about the song selection, and I am sure a lot of people feel the same way. Kartel missed the opportunity to perform some of his recent classic and timeless hits such as Any Weather, The Will of Portmore and The Will of St. James, or even Streets with Squash, Pocket Pie but the Draco it load, yeah. You understand? Which fans eagerly anticipate. Whoever who guided Vybz Kartel setlist missed the mark, but this is an easily rectifiable issue for the future. ZJ Chroma, you may attack. Now, the potential for Freedom Street to become an annual event is undeniable. I would love to see it. This concert could evolve into a staple of Jamaican entertainment, something fans can anticipate year end, like a year end celebration right before the ring in the new year in style, right? It's not hard to imagine Freedom Street becoming a cultural institution, attracting even larger crowds and cementing its place as a cornerstone of dancehall history. Somebody need to get this video to Vybz Kartel right now. You can correct me if I'm wrong. You see me? So as I said, Freedom Street first edition was a major success despite minor setbacks. The concert delivered moments of greatness and showcased why Vybz Kartel remain a cultural titan, from the production value to the performances and the global attention it garnered. So Freedom Street was not just an event, as I said right now. Like Popcaan said, it's a lifestyle, it's a movement. The foundation has been set. Vybz Kartel, the foundation has been laid for something even greater. And if future edition build upon this momentum, Freedom Street will undoubtedly, right, go down as one of the most significant contribution to dancehall culture, along with Reggae Sumfest and other shows. So big up Joe and Skatta for the production and everything, the way how they carried out everything. Again, minor, the few setbacks, and big up Vybz Kartel to perform under the circumstances and still deliver to the level that he did. King of dancehall, big up.